How cut a 3 cm sheet foam into 3 sheet of 1 cm, with costycnc foam cutter machine, and costycnc program. Right, G91, incremental position, F500, feedrate velocity, G01, slower motion, X700, Ax-X movement. Ax-X movement 70 cm forward, G01, Y10, Ax-Y movement 1 cm, G01, X-700, Ax-X movement 70 cm backward. Click Connect button, for connect with the machine, click right button, for begin cut. For those who have not yet found out about the costycnc, the costycnc is an automatic polystyrene cutting machine. I informed them that this machine has a very low price, is very robust and controlled by and it can cut any type of shape. Cutting with this machine is easy. Beginners can use costycnc online programs. Is useful because the cutting can be repeated again and again with the same precision. Leave a comment and click the like button if you liked this video.